Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
I'm gonna start the takeoff process of the plastic pieces in the foam that's under the headliner, and then mark them with the pen so I don't forget where they go. Once I do that, I'm gonna start numbering them 1 through 450. Kind of have a general idea where I want them to be. Let's do it. I need 3 feet of the fiber to go all the way down where I can plug it into the car, so I don't know. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. I outlined all the plastic so I know where they go back to, and I know how much LEDs to put. I don't think I'll take this off actually, because if I put the LEDs under this one I might take off, but I don't know about this one. This one I'll leave it here, I think. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna take all the foams out. I'm gonna leave this foam in and this foam in. I'm gonna just drill it through it. And then, yeah, I'm gonna leave these pieces also. It's gonna go around them. And it's gonna look like it's fading out towards the end. So I want it to look more dense in the middle and slowly fade out towards this plastic. Slowly fade out this way also. Laid out the fiber optic so I know where the exit is. And after that, I split off the fiber optic so I know where they go. I'm gonna take it off, put the tapes on them. I'm gonna start numbering and putting dots on the headliner so I know where each fiber goes. I will try to make it reach all the way on that side because the way the exit is set up, that fiber length doesn't reach all the way up front. So first off, I started numbering them, and then as I got to this part, I gave up on numbering. Just started pressing the dots in to make a pattern. Just finished doing this passenger side, and I only have 9 fiber optics left, and I still gotta do the back. So I think I'm gonna start fading out towards the trunk, so I have just enough left to make it look good, I think.
I wake up, flex, I'm down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number 1 up on that court, I'm Nick.
I just finished gluing all the fiber optics in. Now I just have to group them and like finalize, make it clean, so it doesn't get caught on anything while putting it inside the car. And yeah, then I'm gonna flip it over on the side, and then I'm gonna start trimming it from the other side. And the technique to that is you gotta get the razor blade tip right inside the groove, slice it a little bit, and then break it off. If you don't break it off, you might end up cutting the material. That's the best way so far for me, because I tried everything and didn't come out as good as breaking it off after slicing a little bit. Damn, it's looking good. It fades out on the bottom. It's pretty good. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna put it in the car. I'll go knock out right now, get some sleep.
Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they getting buried.
We just started putting it in. My pops is helping out. It's looking pretty good. And almost done. Yeah.
I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name.
Got my boy installing the sun visors, pins and 2 screws. We just finished doing the handlebars on this. Now I'm gonna start putting the vents in and slowly do the peelers. I just finished putting it in, and as you can see, it is looking amazing. And this black ceiling made a really big difference because the headliner before was same color as my seats, and it didn't look as good. We're doing good. The headliner looks good, and yeah, stay tuned for more projects coming up.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel